Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make omega-3 laddu. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of flax seeds, a half cup of mixed nuts like walnuts and almonds, and 1 cup of pitted dates. Lightly roast the flax seeds in a pan for a few minutes until fragrant, then set them aside to cool. Remember to soak your dates in warm water for about 15 minutes to soften them up. Now, let's get blending. First, grind your cooled flax seeds into a fine powder using a food processor or grinder. Next, drain your softened dates and add them to the processor along with the mixed nuts. Process these until they form a sticky, dough-like consistency. Finally, transfer the flax seed powder, date nut mixture, and any optional spices like cardamom to a large mixing bowl. It's time to bring it all together. Use your hands to thoroughly mix all the ingredients in the bowl. You want a uniform, pliable mixture that holds together when pressed. Once everything is well combined, take small portions of the mixture, about 1 tablespoon each, and gently roll them between your palms to form neat, round lattice. Make sure each laddu is firm and maintains its shape. Your delicious and healthy omega-3 lattice are now ready. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature, where they will stay fresh for up to 1 week. For longer storage, you can refrigerate them for up to 2 weeks. These lattice are a fantastic way to boost your daily omega-3 intake. Also, for an effortless home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.